persons are waiting on other vaccines. But, Chairman, we're on a boat or a log heading downstream fast to a waterfall that is going to crash. We don't have the luxury to say, let me wait on Tom to save me or Mir to save me.
Yes.
The first chance you get to be saved, I implore us to tell our residents and our fellow Jamaican, take it as quick as possible.
What the reason why you don't take the vaccine as yet, and we are going on the second dose? As the chairman...
You want me to speak to it? And I will speak. I've asked for a particular one, the Moderna, which the government... no, they would have issued a press release. I have heard it, that they would be bringing in some Moderna. And I've asked the senior medical officer for the parish, Dr. Prosper Chen, that if and when, I would take that one. Let me ask.
You're not setting an example. Set an example.
Councillor Turner, I have a choice. And my choice is Moderna.
So you're risking your life against Moderna.
And the lives of others.
And the lives of others for Moderna. That's what you're saying?
Mr. Chairman, you've set an example, man.
And I did say I'll take it. But I have a choice. Respect my choice. None of you can tell me what to take. I have an independent mind.